Guys, for today's YouTube tips, I'm gonna show you how to edit your channel art. Okay, let's go! Okay, go to your channel. This one, the channel. And then click the camera icon. And then you'll be able to upload photos. Yan. Select a photo from your computer. Your photos. Okay. Or your gallery. Okay. You can select which one of this one. And like for example, this one. And then it will show you examples on how it will appear on the desktop, TV, and a mobile. And then you can just adjust the crop. Okay. You can adjust it and you can select it. Okay. That's how you will be able to change your channel art. Alright. Yon, sana meron kayong natutunan. Please do like and subscribe this channel, and you can also join my channel membership so that I can help you grow your YouTube channel. Okay, this is PJ Azurin. Like and subscribe, and thank you. Bye bye. God bless. Mwah.